Thank you for taking the time to learn more about stuttering. While stuttering affects only 1% of the population, there are plenty of famous people who stutter. Two of these people are James Earl Jones, famously known for the voice of Darth Vader, as well as a number of other acting opportunities, and also Elvis Presley, one of the most famous rock musicians in the United States. The majority of people who stutter are just normal, everyday folks, though. They enjoy things like soccer, riding buggy, serving their church, playing musical instruments, enjoying time with their family and spending time outdoors, speaking at conferences, and identifying themselves as a person who stutters. What exactly is stuttering? Stuttering is a speech disorder where people have difficulty speaking. They sometimes will prolong words, repeat sounds in words, or have complete blocks where they're unable to get any sound out at all. Everyone speaks using a speech machine. It begins in your diaphragm, which pushes up into your lungs, which pushes air into the trachea, across the voice box or vocal cords, and then finally your tongue, teeth, and lips manipulate in order to create sounds. When someone stutters, somewhere along that path it gets stuck and the words don't come out fluently as most people expect.
This is an example of prolongation. This is an example of repetition. This is an example of blocking.
One common misperception about stuttering is that it's related to learning disabilities. This is absolutely not true. There is no correlation between stuttering and learning disabilities. It's also important to note that only 1% of the entire world's population stutters. There are people who stutter in every language, everywhere across the globe. After all this time, nobody is sure why anybody stutters. There has been quite a bit of research done, but no answers have yet been found. The research continues. And for many people, stuttering changes day by day. One day they may be very, very fluent. The next day they may struggle with every word. Typically, people who stutter work towards communicating as effectively as possible and working with their stutter. One of the most common questions teachers have is how they can help their students who do stutter. Anyone who stutters would be happy to tell you that the most frustrating thing that can be done is for someone to finish their sentences. Please be patient and give them the time to finish their own sentence. They know what they want to say, they're just having a hard time getting the words out of their mouth. Another thing that you can do is don't tell them to calm down or relax or remember to breathe. They're probably calm, and your mentioning it will make them more nervous. Stuttering is not related to nervousness at all. And finally, of course, never mimic them or allow other students in the class to mimic them. That does nothing but cause hurt feelings. And that completes our lesson about stuttering. We hope you learned some new things, and we're looking forward to seeing you in class this year. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to use the link below to shoot us an email. Thanks very much.